temporary video to announce a couple of things. Firstly, after over 6 months of moving and disruption, I've finally moved into my new house and I'm setting up my new workshop. Secondly, I've created a second channel for updates about the workshop as I get it set up and unpacked, and perhaps some live streams. The new channel, Live with a Very Small Lathe, is at the link at the top right now or in the doodly-doo below. I want to keep this main channel focused on project videos that people will want to keep watching and coming back to, so I don't want to clutter it up with updates about the shop and live streams where there isn't any project content. Videos on the new channel won't be as polished as the project videos here, but they should be a bit more regular. It'll take me a while to get the new workshop running and making project videos again, but I still have plenty of video footage in production of the Unimat SL, and I'll be working on progressing the Chinese lathe improvement projects as soon as I can. The first new shop video is a quick tour of the empty shop on moving in day and is online now. Here are a few teaser shots of what you'll see. Follow the link at the top right now, below in the description, or at the end of the video. On this channel, I plan to finish up the short series on the Unimat SL and continue improving the Chinese lathe until it's a usable tool. Videos are in production and should be out before too long. I hope you'll all join me on the other channel as I get the workshop up and running and start thinking about which new machines I'm going to get now I have a lot more space. Thanks for watching, take care, I love you all.